all over the world, the situation created what are called pandemic, and because of this coronavirus, and there is so much of fear is there, anxiety there, tension, worries. So many people are getting infected, some deaths are also happening, and people are also thinking, and they keep on asking such questions: why this is happening? How long this will go on? Is God angry with us? What have we done? So all these things keep on coming to our mind, and different people are thinking in their own ways. That is true. So I also got a chance to reflect on this. But my reflection will be based on what we study in the Vedanta I am sharing with you. But I never insist that you have to accept everything, whatever is said like that. If you like it, and if you think at least worth giving a thought, then do it. Now, what, why, how, who, what long, all these questions are such. Immediately we cannot give any such kind of answers. But now I start in this way. I call this whole composition Mangalaya Tanu Harihi. Hari, the Lord, who takes away all our ignorance, sorrows, is the very abode of auspiciousness. How he is? Achintya Shakti Sarveshaha Sarvadnyo Sarvago Vashi. The Sarveshaha, the Lord of all, whom we said in our Kathopisha as Mahan Atma. Remember, when Shuddha Chaitanya functions through the totality of mind intellect, then they're called Mahan Atma. He is only called Hiranyagarbha. He is only called as Ishwaraha. Now in this, the Shuddha Chaitanya aspect is Nirgun Nirakar, formless, attributeless. But when it is the mind intellect total, that is Saguna Sakar. So with the upadhi of the total intellect and body, he is Saguna Sakar. That's why it's called Achintya Shakti. His power is incomprehensible. Lord of all. Sarvadnyaha, omniscient. Sarvagaha, omnipresent. Vashi, in whose control whole world is, everything is. Such Achintya Shakti Sarveshaha Sarvadnyo Sarvago Vashi Kim Karoti Kimartham Cha Vayam Jnatum Na Shaknumaha. What he does, with what purpose he does, we cannot know all that thing. But what we should know is Sa eva sarva jivanam jnata vividha janmanam tesham cha krita karyanam phaladata sanyayataha. But what we should know is that he alone is the knower of all jivas and all their janmas also. All the jivas, their janmas and their karmas also. Tesham cha krita karyanam. All the karmas they have done. And according to that, nyayataha, according to right justice, phaladata, he gives the results. This we should know. Now, ko jivaha karmana kena kim phalam labhate katham Ajnatvedam vayam sarvam bhavamo bahuvismitaha. But which jiva, because of which karma, which result, and how and when and where he gets, Ajnatva idam sarvam. We do not know all that. And because we do not know, and when something happens here in front of bhavavo bahuvismitaha, we are only surprised. Why somebody is rich, somebody is poor, some appears at doing wrong things, but still he is materially prospering. Other person is so good, but still he is so good. And we don't understand. Or why this is happening now everywhere? We do not know. And how the jivas go to different gatis. Yatha shrutam yatha karma jivo yati gatim tatha devadanava manushya pashu vruksheshu yonishu. Yatha shrutam, as per the knowledge, as per the karma, samskara of that jiva, he attains the gati. We will see this in Kathopada, it will be coming, yatha karma yatha shrutam. I have borrowed the phrase from there only. There it is yatha karma yatha shrutam. For the meter part, I said yatha shrutam yatha karma jivo yati gatim. And what gati? Deva, sometimes you can become a celestial being. Danava, some asura also. Manushya, human being. Pashu, animal. Vruksheshu, even like trees and plants also. We do not know. Bhutam bhavichayachasti sarvam janati sa prabhu yathaikasya cha jivasya samashti jagatas tatha. That Lord alone knows all the past, present, future of not only of one jiva, but samashti jagat, of the totality of this world. So you just think in the total world, same situation is happening. What a strange thing. Samashti jagat, why it is happening? And we know there cannot be an effect without cause. And there cannot be only one cause, multiple causes. Karmadhyaksho nyaya karata tathapi karunascha saha pashyati priti bhavena sarva jivan yatha pita. Even though he is the one who presides over all actions, nyaya karta gives justice, but he is very compassionate also. And he looks at all jivas with love, like even a father would look at his children. Now, even though in this terrible situation, technology is functioning, and even though people are sitting at their home and so many things are working on or not, even this streaming of Kathopada also. Yadeva jivite vyashte samashti jagati hava bhave tad akhilam sarvam yatha vidhi vidhanataha. Whatever happens in the life of an individual or in the totality, all that happens according to the laws of nature ordained by the Lord. Not haphazard manner and all that. According to laws only. Don't think God is angry. But you know, Bhagavan said fire is hot. And if you touch it, you are burnt. You can't say fire is very angry with me. Yada kadapi pashyamo lokam shokahatam yadi tathapi hana drashtavyo doshas sarvatmanishvare. So even though sometimes we see an individual or the whole world is struck by sorrow, but please do not find fault with Bhagavan, who is the very self of all beings. Dukkha rupam vartamane bhatita satyameva hi mangalam parinametu bhavishyati na samshayaha. Whatever happening and appearing as very great sorrow in present, that is true. Not what is happening, very happy kind of thing. And in this situation, whatever we should do, whatever we can serve each other, we must do. But also know the final result will be auspicious only. Then in this what we have to do, asmabhi sarvada sarvaihi smartavyo bhagavan guruhu sa eva hridaye dhyeyo mangalayatano harihi. At this situation, objectively whatever we have to do is do, but remember the Lord, remember the Guru, remember that Lord Mangalayatano Hari. Even in Mahabharata, Draupadi went through such terrible time, and she has said, Mahati apadi samprapte smartavyo bhagavan harihi. Draupadi said that, and that's why she remembered Govind and Bhagavan helped her. So instead of thinking, what is the, why this, how long the, you go on doing what you can, remembering the Lord. Have faith. All will be auspicious. Thank you. Hari Om. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.